Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a stable base and the right tools: tripod, macro lens, and the ring flash clip to the lens. Set aperture to f/8 f/16 for depth, ISO 100 to minimize noise. Switch the flash to TTL for test shots, or manual at 1/8 power to start. Use live view and magnify to nail focus on the subject. This matters more than exposure because macro depth of field is tiny. Once framed, take a test shot and note exposure adjustments. Now you refine light and focus for sharp, pleasing macro images. Soften the ring flash with a small diffuser or a bounce card to avoid harsh specular highlights. Ring light can flatten texture, so add directional fill if needed. Adjust flash power in 1/3 or 1/2 stop increments until highlights look natural on the LCD. For critical sharpness, use manual focus or focus stacking. Take a series of images moving focus slightly between frames, because combining them increases usable depth of field. Finish by inspecting images carefully at full magnification, because small errors show up in macro. If details are soft, increase shutter speed slightly and retry, or tighten aperture until diffraction appears. If you see hot spots or harsh shadows, reduce flash power by 1/2 stop and add tiny reflectors to fill trouble spots. When movement causes blur, increase shutter speed or use high-speed sync if needed. Make sure sync and flash output are compatible. If problems persist, change diffuser density or adjust ring position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.